guys, welcome to my channel Heavy Traders. Today we will be looking the analysis of today's market, what has happened today and what are the things which can happen tomorrow with the great probability. Okay, so coming to Bank Nifty gap down was opened by around 800 points. So yesterday the closing was around 33,190 or we can say 33,200, and after that today it opened around 33,640, so around 800 points difference was there in Bank Nifty. After that it tried to recover and it has moved around 33,150, so around 650 points it was at. It has moved in around a positive direction, but after that we had seen in HDFC Bank there was 20 point sudden downfall, and due to that Nifty Bank was have shown the similar pattern, and after that Bank Nifty fall around 350 points, and the closing was around 33 32 836. So the main point here is Bank Nifty has closed around 32 about 32 800. So if Bank Nifty had closed around 30 below 32 800, then we might have short the Bank Nifty tomorrow, but it has not closed, so probably we can see a good move or a sideways move tomorrow. Coming to the trend line which I had drawn and I had shown in my last video also, coming to 3 hours time frame. So there is one trend line which can be drawn from 16th Feb, and basically Nifty Bank is actually taking a good move or taking a good resistance from this trend line, and it has been tested many times. So it has been tested around 16th Feb, after it has tested on 25th Feb, then on 10th of March, then again it was on 29th of April. And so I think if this trend line get break, then only we can see some good bullish move in Nifty Bank. Till I will suggest you not to be long in Nifty Bank currently. Now if we go for a 50-minute time frame, so that we can understand like what are the chances that what will the probable direction of Bank Nifty. Okay, so this is our trend line, which has been drawn from third of May, and after that it has took a good support with the help of this trend line. But today, due to the downfall, it actually has broke that trend line, and after that it is trying to move up. So what we can see, this is our no trading zone for tomorrow. So 32,740 and 32,880. The point is it is around 150.160 points. So this is our no trading zone. If market opens gap down or below 32,731, we will short for around 200 points till 32,538, and after that if there will be gap up or there will be some good momentum in Nifty Bank, which I think it will not be there because it will be some sideways move in Nifty Bank. So probably we can have some opportunity till 33,112. So 33,100 will be our next target if the market will be a little bit bullish in Nifty Bank. Coming to Nifty 50, similar thing has happened with Nifty 50. This is my 50 minutes chart. So here you can see the trend line was drawn from 4th of May, and it has took a good support with this trend line. Here we can see on 6th of May, then again on 6th of May, then again on 6th of May, then 7th of May. So basically it is taking a good support from this trend line, but after that today itself it broke that trend line, and there was a gap down open for around 100 points, 100 and 130 points. So after that it tried to move up, then again there was a short covering, so it was a fake breakout, and after that again there was a trap for the option buyer, and they might have lose lot of money today. The premium erosion was there. So today was a day for scalpers, the person who do scalping and all. I think this was a fertile ground for scalping. Many, like, it was a haven today. So after that we can see after moving up it moved down at around 12:15, and after that it has short recovered of 3240 points in Nifty 50. So what we can say, this is our no trading zone. So no trading zone is from 14,846 till 14,774. So if there will be a gap down in tomorrow's market, then we can have a short target of around 14,700. So we can target around 1950 points or 1930 points in Nifty 50. And if there will be a gap up or there will be some bullish move in Nifty 50, then we can have around 14,917. So this will be our target if market will be in little bit bullish. Coming to 3 hour time frame, I want to show some similar pattern which I have shown in Nifty Bank. So similar type of trend line which we can draw in Nifty 50 also from 16 Feb. So this is a trend line and which I think Nifty 50 has took a good resistance from it. So first support was first resistance was taken on 16th Feb, and after that it was taken on 12th of March. Then it tried on 29th of April, and right now it was moving the similar direction for taking some resistance. But before that, today it was a gap down, and due to that thing, so there was a so it broke that trend line. And even we can see if we come to 50 minutes chart also, so it actually broke this all this trend line also. So what we can see, if there will be some gap up or within a week or within 10 or 15 days, if we see this trend line gets broke, or if Nifty 50 break this trend line, we can see it will have some bullish momentum after this. So my next target will be, if there will be a break of this trend line, then we can see it will move around 15,200 or 15,300 will be the next target, because there is no resistance for Nifty 50 after this. This is the only trend line which through which Nifty 50 is taking some resistance. So that is the analysis for today itself. Let's see what happens tomorrow. I am little bit inside. I am little bit sideways for Nifty 50 as well as Bank Nifty. Hope everyone have a great trading day ahead. Okay, thank you so much, guys. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. Thank you.